Today I'm back with another video, and today we're opening my headphones for school. It's so cute, right? Hello, it's a kitty. Let's open. This is the open. Time to open. Let's open this up. Oops. Let's guess. Do this. Whoa, this is so cool. Whoa. Whoa, look. It's headphones. Look, the pattern. Hello, it's Hello Kitty ears. So cute. Don't mind, that's my family, talking Vietnamese. Whoa, this is so cool. Look, so cool, right? Let's just bundle it up again. Bundle it up. Bundle it up. Okay, it's bundled it up. And you can also fold these up like before. So cute, right? Now let's just do that. Oh, yeah, I forgot to show you. There's even microphone. So cool, right? Okay, let's just put this in the bag again. Okay, the bag. Ooh. Let's just put this back in the bag. Even this. Okay, work on this, that, oh this. Bye guys!